Welcome to another Linux terminal commands for beginners tutorial. For this video I will talk about the redirection action with the cat command. Let's open up the terminal. One very handy use of the cat command is when it is paired up with the redirect action. Cat stands for concatenate. By definition it links strings together or in a series. Cat does more than just reading files and outputting their contents on the terminal like I showed in the last video. When combined with the redirect action, which is the forward arrow or the double forward arrow, cat becomes a very powerful command. Whenever you put a forward arrow or double forward arrow between commands or files, input, forward arrow, output, you are inputting the left side's input and redirects it to the right side's output. Aim for double forward arrows. Input, double forward arrow, output. Command or file input redirects to command or file output. This is best explained with an example using the cat command. Note, forward redirect or the double forward redirect are not the same. The single forward redirect overwrites, and the double forward redirect appends. You'll see what I mean in a bit. Let's ls. First, let's view the contents of test file1.txt using the cat command. Cat outputs the contents of this file on the terminal. Now let's try a single forward redirect action on this file. Cat test file1.txt. Let's type hello world. Control D to go back. View the contents of test file1 with cat. The original contents of test file 1 have been replaced with hello world. Using cat with the single forward redirect action overwrites the contents of the file with what you enter. As you can see with test file 1, it was originally ASDF. Now it's hello world. Be careful with using the single forward redirect action because you may overwrite an important file. We can also create a new text file with the redirect action. Let's create a new file called new.txt and have the contents in it say hello world. Using cat forward redirect new.txt hello world. Control D to go back. And now when we read the new.txt with cat, it says hello world. We can double check to see we did indeed create a new file because new.txt does not appear in our original output of ls. But when we ls again, there it is. Single forward redirect action with cat can overwrite an existing file or create a new file depending on what you enter on the output side. Let's move on to double redirect action. Double forward arrow redirect is different because instead of overwriting, it appends to the end of the contents. This is best shown with an example. Let's go back to test file 1. Cat test file 1.txt. Remember how we changed its contents with the single redirect and overwrote ASDF to hello world? How about instead of overwriting, let's append to test file 1.txt using cat and double forward arrow redirect. Cat double forward arrow redirect test file 1.txt ASDF. Control D to exit. Now when we cat test file 1.txt, we can see ASDF has been appended to the end of the file. Basically, when using double forward arrow redirect on a file, anything we enter through cat gets added onto the end of the file's original contents. Cat new.txt, cat double forward arrow redirect new.txt, 1, 2, 3, Control D to exit, cat new.txt. We see we appended the lines 1, 2, and 3 onto the end of new.txt. Just like single forward arrow redirect, you can create a new file with double forward arrow redirect. Cat double forward arrow redirect new1.txt, ASDF, Control D to exit, cat new1.txt, and we have created a new file, new1.txt, with the contents ASDF. To summarize, we learned the cat command reads files, contents, and outputs them to the terminal, creating text files with the cat command using the forward redirect action, and appending to files using the cat command with double forward arrow redirect action. This concludes my Linux Terminal for Beginners tutorial redirection with the cat command. For more information, check out the man pages for cat, man, cat.
Here are some more Linux for Beginners videos. Also, please like or subscribe, but only if you want to. And lastly, thanks for watching.